Welcome in Technoguru. For complete update, like us and subscribe.
Everyone, I welcome you all for watching this video, and you already know here I am going to discuss about what numericals based on focal length, mirror formula, okay, and magnification. And let us start. And here what is given? A car has a rear view mirror, okay, of radius what? Of a radius of curvature 4 meter. Find the actual position of the bicycle behind the car if appear to be at 0.5 meter from the mirror. Okay. First of all, you know what? The rear view mirror is what? The rear view mirror is used as what? Convex mirror. Okay. And you have to know what? The object distance. Okay. If the person see in the convex mirror, then what? He see the image of that bicycle. Okay. Then what he has to find? He has to find the actual position of that bicycle. Okay. Suppose that if there is a convex mirror, okay, and here what? A bicycle is, suppose that there is a bicycle behind the convex, in the front of convex mirror, okay, and here a car has a rear view mirror, okay, rear view mirror is what? Convex mirror, and the radius of curvature is 4 meter. Here the radius of curvature, it means that its radius is what? Its radius means the distance between pole and the center of that curvature. Okay, this is the radius. And here what is given? Here the radius of curvature is 4 meter. And find the actual position of bicycle behind the car. What he has to find? What we have to find? We have to find the actual position of that car, of that bicycle behind the car. If it appear to be at 0.5 meter from the mirror, it means that क्या कि उसका जो इमेज डिस्टेंस है, इमेज डिस्टेंस कुछ होगा, है नहीं? इमेज डिस्टेंस सपोज डेट मान लो आपका, अच्छा एक चीज़ आप देखो, अगर सपोज डेट इमेज अगर आपका दिया हुआ है, इमेज का है 0.5 मीटर, ठीक है, तो 0.5 मीटर अगर आप देखते हो, अगर 0.5 मीटर अगर आप देखते हो तो आप क्या देखोगे? 0.5 मीटर कितना हुआ? ये हाफ से भी कम हुआ ना? तो इट मीन्स दैट द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ इमेज इज हियर, ओके, देन व्हाट? 0.5 मीटर, क्योंकि इट इज ए फोकस ऑफ दैट मिरर, एंड फोकस इज व्हाट? फोकस इज द हाफ ऑफ द रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर, है ना? तो अगर हाफ करोगे, हाफ फोकस है तो 2 है, 2 मीटर, है ना? अगर 2 मीटर है तो 2 मीटर से तो लेस ही है ना इमेज का फॉर्मेशन. अगर इमेज का फॉर्मेशन अगर 2 मीटर से लेस है तो देन व्हाट? द पोजीशन ऑफ इमेज इज हेयर, इमेज विल बी हेयर, है ना? तो आप जो है यू मे ड्रॉ द डायग्राम. अगर देखो द रे विच इज पैरेलल टू द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस, आफ्टर पासिंग थ्रू द लेंस it goes towards what? Focus of that mirror, okay, and the ray which is fall directly to the center of that, and the ray which passes through the center of that curvature, it what? It moves return back, है ना? तो जब देखो आप जब ये सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर से जब मूव करेगा तो क्या इट गोज स्ट्रेट, ठीक है, क्योंकि फिर ये रिफ्लेक्ट होगा, है ना? तो आपका जो है इमेज का फॉर्मेशन कहाँ हुआ जी? यहाँ पर हुआ. ओके, अब देखो अब आपका क्या दिया हुआ है जी? इमेज डिस्टेंस दिया हुआ गिवन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट वी हैव टू डू? वी हैव टू राइट व्हाट इज गिवन इनसाइड द क्वेश्चन, ओके, एंड हियर गिवन इज व्हाट? गिवन इज radius is what? 4 meter, and image distance is 0.5 meter. Here image distance will be in positive direction because of convex mirror. And what we have to find? We have to find the object distance. Okay, and here for finding the object distance, if you will compare this given, then what we have to do? First of all, we have to find the focal length of that mirror. Okay, focal length will be half of radius, then r upon 2 will be what? 4 upon 2. Okay, then what? 2 meter. Okay, and by using mirror formula, what we have to? We have to use my mirror formula for finding the object distance, because we already know the image distance of that bicycle is 0.5 meter from the mirror. Okay, and here 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Okay, and what is it? 1 upon 0.5 and plus object distance we have to find, and the focal length of that mirror is what? 2 meter. Enough. So 1 by u is equal to what? 1 by 2 minus 1 upon 0.5, and it cancel it with 10. 5 to 10. Then what? 1 minus 4 है ना, 1 minus 4 होगा upon 2 होगा. Then what? minus 3 upon 2, and minus अगर 3 upon 2 होगा, then what? by क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, आप देखो ये क्या होगा? minus 2 upon 3 है नहीं. अगर minus 2 upon 3 होगा तो क्या होगा जी? minus 0.66 meter will be what? Answer. The object, the position of that bicycle will be what? The 0.66 meter in the front of mirror. Okay, got it? Hello guys, come on the next question. And here question is got: an object of height 8 cm is placed in the front of convex mirror of a distance of 12 cm in the front, 12 cm from it. If the focal length of that mirror is what? 24 cm, then what we have to find? We have to find the nature, size and position of that image. Draw the ray diagram of that. मान लो आपका suppose that there is a convex mirror. Okay, in front of that there is an object of height, having height 8 cm. Okay, 8 cm, and is placed in the front of convex mirror of 12 cm in the front of 12 cm in the front of it. And if you will see, the focal length of that mirror is what? The focal length of that mirror is what? 24 cm. Okay, 24 cm. Then what we have to find? We have to find the nature, size and position of that image format. And if you will see that the ray which is parallel to the principal axis, after reflection it goes towards what? It goes towards the focus of that mirror. Yes or no? Okay. And after, if the rays goes toward the center of curvature, after reflection it bouncing back and follow the same surface. Yes or no? Then what? It pass through the center of that curvature image. And here is the image, the actual image is format. Okay, and देखो आप, ठीक है? Okay, this is the ray diagram. And here, if the focal length of that mirror is 24 cm, then what we have to find? Nature, position, nature, size and position of that image. Draw ray diagram is completed. Okay, and here given, firstly write what? Given is height is 8 cm and object distance is minus 12 cm. Here negative, why it is negative? Because if you calculate the position from pole, then what? You goes beyond the incidence ray, and if you goes opposite to the incidence ray, then what? Then the possibility of that the magnitude with negative sign we have to take. Okay, according to the sign convention of that spherical mirror. Okay, and here object distance is minus 12 centimeter, and the focal length is what? Focal length is 24 centimeter. Okay, here focal length is positive due to what? Due to convex mirror. And firstly, to find object height of the image, okay, position of the image, and nature of that image. Okay, and solution. If you know what magnification, height of the image is to the height of the object. Okay, and height of the image to the height of object is what? Minus v upon u. Then to calculate the height of the image, what we have to do? We have to multiply minus v. Minus what? V is what? V is v. We have to find v. Okay, and the object distance is what? Minus 12 सेंटीमीटर, और हाइट कितना दिया हुआ है जी? 8 दिया हुआ है. ठीक है, अब देखो आप मैग्निफिकेशन हाइट ऑफ द इमेज टू द हाइट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट माइनस वी अपॉन यू. आपको क्या दिया? माइनस वी. वी कितना दिया? वी आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. हाइट ऑफ द इमेज है, देन व्हाट इनटू 8. ओके, and firstly what we have to find? We have to find the, if you will able to find the image distance, then you will be able to find the value of x dash. Okay, then by using mirror formula, 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to what? 1 by f, है ना? तो 1 by v plus 1 by u कितना होता है जी? 1 by u is equal to minus 12. ओके, एंड 1 बाई एफ. तो फोकल लेंथ क्या होगा जी? 1 बाई फोकल लेंथ आपका 24 है. ठीक है, तो अगर आप ये देखोगे ध्यान से तो आपको ये क्या होगा? माइनस, इट मीन्स दैट 1 बाई वी इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? 1 बाई 24 प्लस 1 बाई 12, है ना? अगर ये 1 बाई 12 होता है तो ये 24 होगा, और 24 हो तो 1 प्लस व्हाट? 2. इट मीन्स दैट 3 upon 24. Okay, and 3 upon 24, and find the value of v will be what? V is equal to 8 सेंटीमीटर, है ना? 8 सेंटीमीटर ये आपका आंसर हुआ. और if you will put the value of v in this equation, then you will get what? H dash is equal to minus 8 upon minus 12. It will be cancelled into 8. Okay, then what? 4 2 ja 8 and 4 3 ja 12. Okay, then what? 16 upon 3, 3 5 ja 15, point 3 3 ja 9, and 3 3 ja 9. This is the height which will be in centimeter of that image. Okay, clear? And here what is given? How far from the pole of a concave mirror? First of all, what is given? There is a concave mirror. Okay, and there is a concave mirror of focal length 10 centimeter. फोकल लेंथ कितना है जी? फोकल लेंथ 10 सेंटीमीटर है. Should be an object be placed to form a image whose size is half of the size of object. Okay, then what? The height of the image will be half of the ऑब्जेक्ट, ओके, साइज ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट। चलो ठीक है। देन व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड, we have to find the object distance, okay, and image distance, how far from the pole of the concave mirror of an object we place to form an image whose size is half of the object, okay. Then what we have to find, we have to find the position of object in the front of that mirror. First of all, what is given? Given that here what? Focal length is minus 10 centimeter. Okay. And the height of the image will be what? Minus h upon 2. Okay. And if you will see this, then what? According to the sign convention, the height of the image will be negative. Okay. Because the height of the image will be what? Below the principal axis of that mirror. है ना? तो और देखो, तो बाय यूजिंग मैग्निफिकेशन व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड व्हाट ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस, एंड द सॉल्यूशन विल बी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू यूज फॉर्मूला व्हाट मैग्निफिकेशन। देन मैग्निफिकेशन में क्या होता है जी, हाइट ऑफ द इमेज टू द हाइट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट, what minus v upon u, so minus v upon u. Then what, height of the image will be what, height of the image will be what, minus half of the height of the object, sorry, half of the height of the object. Then you have to place if h dash minus h upon 2 into 1 upon h. If you will cancel this, माइनस v कितना जी, v आपका फाइंड आउट करना है और u दिया हुआ है ना, तो अब आप कैंसिल करोगे तो माइनस माइनस कैंसिल, देन व्हाट, v इक्वल टू 2u, ओके, v इक्वल टू हाफ u है ना, तो 0.5 u होगा, ठीक है। अब देखो आप एक चीज़ देखो ध्यान से, जब आप कैलकुलेट करोगे तो बाय मिरर फॉर्मूला व्हाट इज गिवन, 1 by v plus 1 by u equal to 1 by f, yes or no? Then if you put the value what, 0.5 u plus 1 by u, what, 1 by u is equal to 5, okay, and if you will take this, then what, if you take common, 1 by u is equal to what, 1 by 5, then 5, 2 upon 5 and plus 2, sorry, यहाँ से देखो क्या हो जाएगा जी, 2u हो गया है ना, प्लस क्या हुआ, 1 बाई यू हुआ, 5 2 10 एंड u प्लस 1 बाई यू, ओके, देन 1 बाई यू इक्वल टू व्हाट, 3u, 3 बाई अपॉन यू एंड माइनस 1 अपॉन 10, ओके, देन व्हाट, u इक्वल टू 10 अपॉन, इफ यू विल सी व्हाट, देन minus 30, u इक्वल टू here, from here u will be minus 30 what, in centimeter, okay, and after that if you will put the value of u, then you will able to get finally the height of the distance of image, okay, u will be minus 30, then minus 30 will be what, if 5 and 15, then what, minus 15 centimeter, minus 15 centimeter, okay, and what, this is the answer, and here this is the image distance, okay, and I hope this will be clear. Thank you guys for watching this video completely, and हमारे चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें।